Hello everyone, this is Professor Wellman. Welcome to Industrial and Organizational Psychology, Psychology 336. And this is going to be a higher level course. So most of you are already very familiar with how to write APA style. Sometimes there are a few questions about how to get started in week one, so I'm going to go over a few things. So here we have the Start Here area, which you'll find right there. And how to access and post to this discussion will show if you have Adobe Flash. And then we have your exam reviews in the Start Here area, your final project information, the Kaiser Library information, and my video on how to use the online library to find peer-reviewed articles. You're going to need peer-reviewed articles for your final project, and I encourage you to use them throughout the course. The APA Essentials here, this will take you into a folder with content. Let's see if I can, here we go. These are the APA Essentials and some videos. If you are an English learning student where English is your second language, the UEFAP is a really great resource. So I have the link below for that. And the FLAX tool is a flexible language acquisition tool, and this is also free, and it gives you practice exercises for students who are learning English. And what's great about the FLAX tool and the UEFAP is that you have the ability to practice your academic language. The APA referencing the basics video is very helpful. And how to reference your textbook. This isn't your textbook, but this is the format that you would use. Looks like I have that twice, so I'll have to remove that. Let's go into week one. So with week one, we have the Hawthorne Studies. This is interesting. It's a groundbreaking study, actually, which separates human beings from machines. We look at social psychology in the industrial setting. So we have then your pre-test. You'll need to take that by the end of today, Wednesday, and then the certification has to be done before you complete any coursework. And then your assignment, let's see here. I'd like to go a bit into the assignment because sometimes there's some questions about that. So a job description, KSAOs are things that you could actually measure. So you're not going to say has a nice personality, can work with others. Those are not KSAOs. You want something like this person can type 36 words a minute. This person knows how to fix a car engine because they know how to check the valves and they know how to do this and they know how to do that. Those are KSAOs. And then you'd have your questions that you have to cover: clarifiers, disqualifiers, skill level determiner, future focus, situation, past focus, behavioral question, and organizational fit. Now this would mean that when you present part two, you're going to take your part one KSAOs, you're going to put two each under each of these. Okay, so that answers that hopefully clarifies how to do the assignment. And then with the discussion post, we're going to look at, you're going to post 3 separate days, and you're going to have let's see, it's 300 words and 200 words. For every post, I would like to see a reference. To understand affirmative action, you're going to use the table or the figure in your textbook as a guide. This is a legal question. It doesn't matter what side of the argument you are on. If you are thinking we need more Hispanics to be hired, period. That is not the point of the question. You need to understand case law to get this question. And case law has been developed with the best concerns of everyone in mind. So that is Let's see if we can go to the final project. You will be doing an annotated bibliography using using peer-reviewed journal articles. So use that on your topic. And then, so you're going to have your annotated bibliography in the first section, and then after that, you'll do your presentation. You do not need to do a references list. Please don't bother to do that because that will be in your annotated bibliography, but do use citations. Let me know if you have any questions about how to write an annotated bibliography. There are videos on YouTube about how to do that in APA style. And then there is information here on how to do that. So please click on that. If you have any questions, let me know. Do start working on your research topic. Of course, don't leave it till the last minute. But it's good to think about like how would I write a rough copy of this by the end of week 1 or by the end of week 2, so that you have it, because you're going to be submitting it by Sunday of week 3. Okay, that's all for now. Let me know if you have any questions. And students who ask questions, I appreciate all your questions, so don't hesitate to ask. And I look forward to interacting with you in the classroom. So I'll see you at the Kaiser Lives, and I look forward to that.